Welcome to the final part of our Frankfurt tour. Today, we step into the city's modern soul and its world-class architecture. The financial district is where the pulse of Europe's economy beats loudest, surrounded by stunning glass giants. Nearby, the Maisel Mall showcases incredible modern design, with its famous glass funnel drawing you inside. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Even in this busy metropolis, you can always find a quiet green space to reflect and recharge. As our journey comes to a close, we hope you've enjoyed discovering the many faces of Frankfurt with us. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates.